开始啊 Hello, my friends. This is Katerina from Company Feng. Yeah, I'm here again.
Yes,
This is my partner.
yes, this is Clover. Nice to meet you. And I'm already work here for 5 years.
Whoa. Hi, Clover. Today the weather is so good.
Yes,
Yeah. I hope all of my friends have a bright day.
yes, we have a bright day every day.
Okay. Mm-hmm. In January, we will have three live shows on each Wednesday. Today and 20th January and 27th January. And on each Wednesday from 14 to 16 o'clock Beijing time. Remember, in Beijing time, from 14 to 16 o'clock Beijing time. And today, my friends, if you are watching our live show for the first time, and you can make a screenshot, and then you can get our coupon of $3,000. Yeah. And if you if you are have the second live show, if you are still watching our live show, then in the second time you can get coupon of $5,000. Yeah. So the more you are watching our live shows, the higher will be the coupon. And in the third time, in 27 January, if you are still watching our live show, it's 3 times, then you could get the highest coupon of $8,000. Yeah, the coupon is so big.
Yes, I want that coupon too.
Yeah, so and you can make a screenshot and send to us, then you can get coupon. Hi, Clover.
Yes.
Could you please introduce about our company, Huayin, about the factory? You know, we have about 3 workshops, yeah?
Yes, we have 3 workshops. Today, I will show you our 3 workshops and our demo factory. First is this workshop behind me, the workshop for making reactor. Then the workshop on my right hand, the workshop for storing threading machines. And later we will go to the third workshop on my left hand. It's for making dust removal system and cooling system. So first we will go to the number 1 workshop, reactor workshop.
Yeah, today we will mainly introduce our reactor.
Yes.
Yeah, it's the most important part of our pyrolysis machine.
Yes.
You see, our pyrolysis machine could recycle with tiles, rubber, plastic, and polymer and other waste to oil. And the reactor, like the heart of our body, is the most important part. So today, Clover will show you more details about our reactor.
Yes, the pyrolysis plant has 6 parts, right?
Yeah.
Reactor, the auto feeder,
The first part, auto feeder.
Yes.
Yeah. For feeding
Tire.
raw materials.
Yes.
To the reactor. Yeah. Yes. And the second part,
the reactor for heating.
Yeah, reactor, the most important part.
Yes. Yeah. And then the third, the cooling system to cool oil gas into liquid fuel oil. And then the fourth part is the dust removal to clean the smoke coming out of fuel burning. And then it's the fifth part, the dust and the heating part, heat the reactor. And also the carbon black discharging system to discharge carbon black.
Yeah.
Yes, speaking of the reactor.
Here you can see our reactor. Yeah.
Yes, this is the reactor. It includes 2 parts. and outside insulation cover and the inner body.
But I can see the inner reactor. Can you please show me?
Yes.
Let's go ahead.
Yeah, let's see how the inner boiler part is made.
This is
This is the
reactor.
steel plate.
Steel plate.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's for making the inner boiler part.
And what's the raw material? Q245R.
245R. It's the quality of the material of the steel plate.
How about the thickness?
It's 16 millimeter thick.
Why company Huayin choose 60 millimeters? Not 14 or 12 millimeters. I don't know.
Yeah, Huayin has been in this field for 27 years, right? We tested many times. If we choose a thick material like 18, then it will affect the heat transfer.
Mhm.
If we choose a thinner material like 12 or 10, then the service life will be affected. So this 16 millimeter is an optimal thickness. It can ensure the heat transfer also the service life.
I see. Yeah, company Huayi has big experience in this field.
Yes.
Hi, this is the inner reactor.
Yes, this is made of the complete steel plate we just saw.
And you see it's so smooth.
Yes, that's because we use a special machine to smoothen it. Because the welding thing is very important.
Yeah.
This pad will accept 1,000 Celsius degree heat. So if there is any liquid, it will be very dangerous. Right.
Yeah, because the safety is so important for our clients.
Yes. So we cut and weld the steel plate several times, and then we cut out the air bubbles to ensure the welding seam is intact and no air bubble, fully safe and sealed.
Oh, I see. Thank you. Okay. Oh, no. Clover, I saw there in the big bowl.
Yes. The the big bowl is used to seal the reactor, the front end and rear end of the reactor. And here you can see. Do you know? Do you know what? Do you know why we choose what's the advantage of our head cover?
No, share with me more information about the hand cover.
Yes, because our head cover has three advantages. Our head cover has three advantages. First, its material is good because it uses the same material as our reactor Q245R.
Oh, I
Yeah,
see.
and yes.
Hi, Clover. I see there is one ship, but I know in the market there are some other hand cover and like an umbrella. So many ships.
Yeah, it's like an umbrella.
Yeah.
Many welding things, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So in company Huayin there is only one ship, so I'm so impressed. Yeah.
Yeah, that's our second advantage, because the less the welding seam, the easier to and the safer to seal, right?
Yeah.
Yes, and so we use one complete steel plate to weld it.
I see.
And the third, its shape is like a bowl, so is safer because even if there is any pressure and the workers run operation, the pressure will spread instead of focusing on one part, so it's safer.
Yeah. So company Huaying pay more attention on safety.
Yes, yes.
Hello everyone. Now you are in Huaying live show.
Yes.
Hi my friends. If you are watching our live show, you can make a screenshot and then you can get coupon. If you have any questions, please you can ask us, or you can click the catalog for more information. And our salespeople will contact with you.
Yes.
Whoa, what's this?
These
Wooden boxes?
Yeah.
So many.
Yes, these are.
Can I open?
Yes, these are
Oh.
for storing the small parts for our clients because these are very small and easy to lose. So, but they are very, very important for the daily operation and replacement.
Oh, I see.
Yes. You can.
And what's this?
Yeah, this is the metal gasket for sealing. You will use this often.
Oh, it's metal.
Yes.
So you could increase the frequency of maintenance. Yeah.
Yes, this will help you. And this is also for sealing.
It's sealing materials.
Yes, and this is the pressure gauge. Pressure gauge.
Pressure gauge.
Yes, for measuring the temperature because you know.
Wow.
Yes, because you know there if the plant has any pressure, it will be very dangerous. So we use this to monitor there is any pressure.
So our pyrolysis machine during the working is zero pressure.
Yes, it's zero pressure. So if there is any pressure, it will easily shown on this.
I see. And if there are some pressure and the alarm.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is also.
It will tell you. You should you should pay more attention.
Yeah, it will alarm workers even if they are asleep. So these are all the safety devices. We have many details. We have many details to show you to pay attention to the safety.
Yeah.
Because you know safety is very important, and we have to pay attention to every details.
Yeah, I see. Well, now we are going in our warehouse.
Yes.
Wow, there are so many accessories.
Yes.
So many. Let me see.
You know, the plant has
Wow.
over 1,000 parts.
I will take one of the accessories.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a side glass.
Yes, this is for viewing all your gas coming out, and you see, you know, what's the most cost part and the most expensive part of this.
Yeah, I see.
And this is the quartz that's most expensive and our advantage because you know the oil is very high temperature, over 100 Celsius degree.
Wow.
So if you use common glass, it will easily break. But using this quartz, it can stand about 1,000 Celsius degree, and so very safe.
Yeah, I see. Okay, thank you. And let me see if there's something interesting.
Yeah, we have many
other
connecting parts.
elbow
Yes.
pipes and three-way pipes and so many.
Yes. We have. That's why we specially built a warehouse to store and manage these over 1,000 pieces of spare parts.
Yeah, I see. Okay, now my friends, you are in Huaying live show. If you have any questions, you can contact with our service people and they will share with you more information about our pyrolysis machine. Hi, Clover. I saw something interesting in the roller, yeah?
Yes.
It's to support the reactor.
Yes. You know
Let's have a look.
the reactor is rotating so
Yeah.
that the raw materials can be heated evenly. So the driving system is very important. And
It's so heavy.
yeah, and you can see it's very bright and smooth.
Yeah.
Yes, because you know the driving system, if there is any bubble on the surface, then it will jump and shake, not rotating not evenly, very dangerous. That's why we use a special lasing machine to make it smooth, so that it's the surface is even and rotates very evenly.
I see. Okay. Let me see if there are some questions. What machine are you talking about? This question.
Now you are watching the with the tire and plastic pyrolysis machines, and from this machine you will get fuel oil from tires and plastics. So it's a very profitable business.
Yeah. But Clover, I want to know more information on how many tons full oil can I get from 10-ton waste tires?
From 10 tons with the tires, you can get 4 to 5 tons of tire fuel oil.
And any other product?
Yes, sure. You can also get 2.5 to 3 ton carbon black and 1.5 ton to 2 tons steel wire. Also, you will get some syngas. This syngas will be recycled to furnace for heating. This can save your fuel.
Yeah. Whoa. What's this? Graphic?
This is graphite packing. It's for sealing the feeding door, the oil outlet, and the carbon black discharging door. Because you know the reactor has to be fully sealed, no oil gas coming out to ensure safety. So we use this to seal it.
Oh, you see, the oil. No, oil is something dangerous. Yeah.
Yes.
Is so if there are some dangers, then will be implosion.
Yes,
Whoa.
because it's the oil gas is high temperature and
Yeah.
it's highly flammable. So if oil gas leakage, it will meet the oxygen in the outside air.
So safety is so important.
Yes,
And company Huaying always pay more attention to the quantity of pyrolysis machine and pay more attention to environmental protect and safety.
yes, because Huaying thinks safety is the first important thing if you want to do this business, and that's why we pay more attention to the safety.
Yeah. Hi, my friends. Now you are in Huaying live show. If you are watching our live show, you can make a screenshot and send to us. Then you can get coupon of $3,000.
Yeah.
Hi, Clover. Now this electric cabinet. Yeah.
Yes, this electric cabinet, we have several designs of electric cabinets.
Yeah, I think this one is bigger than the else.
Yes, because you know, you can see the here it's written in Chinese that it has a transformer. That's why it's bigger than other electric cabinets.
Yeah, this is customized design.
Yes, this is customized for our client.
Yeah, I see. So company Huaying can also provide accessories or cabinet for a customized design. And
Yeah.
if you have other requirements, you can share with me and we will meet your need.
Yes.
And also here you can see it's in Chinese and in English.
Yes.
And Hi, my friends. If you are from other Russian clients, then we can also provide cabinet with Russian.
Yes,
It's easy for worker to operate.
yes. Katerina, you have many Russian clients, right? Yes, and I remember that one client especially asked for Russian language, right?
Yeah, for Russian language, and for the cabinet, and for the big pyrolysis machine, and for the operational manual, and we all have the files in Russian language. So if you need more information, please contact with us, and you could get more information.
Yes, yes.
And don't be shy. Contact with our salespeople, and you could get more coupon and files. Whoa, what's this?
This is the cooling tower.
It's for delivery.
Yes, it's ready for delivery, and this is for cooling the cooling water, because you know the cooling water is to cool the oil gas into liquid fuel oil, right?
Yeah.
And after that, the cooling water will be hot, and this will help cool down the temperature quickly so that it can be recyclable for use again.
Oh, I see. And the cooling tower in this package is very easy for transportation.
Yes.
I hear it's reducer.
Yes, this is the reducer. Also, the one part of the driving system.
And what's the material? It's made of stainless.
It's made of casting steel. You know, before we use the cast iron, but some countries the power supply is not stable. So, if in that way, it will cause a big pressure to the reducers. So now we upgraded to casting steel. It's better, durable, and stronger, can stand high pressure. So it's safer and ensures the service life of reducers and reactors.
Yeah, I see. And company Feng often update our accessories and even big pyrolysis machine. Yeah.
Yes, because you know, technology and quality are very important for this business.
Yeah.
And that's why our sales team and our technical team always go on to domestic and foreign trips to do study and to listen to clients. So,
Yeah.
and use better materials and better technology to ensure the good service life and good operation ability.
Yeah. Okay, my friends, now you are in Huayin live show. If you have any questions, you can contact with our salespeople, and we will give you more suggestions and information about our pyrolysis machine.
Yes.
Hi, Clover. Now, most of our clients, they recycled with tires, rubber, plastic. Do you know there is some clients they are recycle the polymer or
Yes.
or through and
Flat.
yeah, yeah.
Yes.
I'm so sorry. In my brain, Russian words flying. Sorry.
Yes.
Hi, my friends. If you are from Russian, and you can talk with me in Russian. Yeah.
You can type hello.
Yeah. Okay, I will. Oh, let me see some questions. The first letter is C, and the last one is E. These clients asked, "What's your machine price?" Whoa.
the machine price varies with your raw material type and your capacity. You know, we have a capacity from 10 kg to 10 tons. And so you can leave a message or click chat now to contact our service people. We will give you detailed offer based on your raw material and how your final oil you want to get, because we can get fuel oil with pyrolysis machine, and we can also refine that fuel oil into diesel with distillation machine.
Mm-hmm. Just now you mentioned you have a company Feng has different capacity for trees.
Yes.
Yeah, now we are going to see something interesting. It's our small pyrolysis machine and the small distillation machine.
Yes.
Yeah, here, what's the capacity?
This capacity is 1 ton.
1 ton by materials?
Yes. Every batch you can fit 1 tons of tires or plastics.
Well, it's so small, but I don't know who will choose the small capacity. It's suitable for starting the business.
Yes, although this plant is very small, it's very popular because some clients they have to get license so the government would require them to show this is a green technology, no pollution. So this small mini plant is a suitable choice for them to show to the government at is low cost. And also, some clients are middlemen, so they can use this small machine to show to their potential clients the oil. And some clients they want to use this as a pilot to test the market, the oil yield rate, the oil quality, and so on before they start bigger scale. So that's reasons why the machine is very popular.
Yeah, and the working process and the design is the same with the big pyrolysis machine. Yeah?
Yes, this
Totally the same.
Yes, this is mini design developed based on our 10-ton machines, so it's totally same.
Yeah, I see.
Oh, by the way, moreover, it's better than the bigger machines. It itself already includes the furnace, so you don't need to buy furnace or to build one.
Oh, it's very easy to install the machine. Yeah.
Yes. And speaking of this, for the mini design, we not only have a pyrolysis plant, but also the distillation plant.
Yeah.
This distillation plant can refine the tire oil and plastic oil into diesel and for use in industrial and agricultural machines.
Yeah, I see. Okay, thank you. Hello, my friends. If you want to process the waste tires or rubber or plastics, but you don't know how to choose the right one or how to choose the right capacity, then you can contact with our salespeople. Then you can get more information and suggestions.
Yes.
Now you are in Huayin live show. Today, if you are watching our live show for the first time, you could make a screenshot, share with me. Then we will provide your coupon, $3,000.
Wow, that's nice.
And 20th January we will also have the second live show.
Yes.
And if you are still here, and you can get coupon of 5,000. Yeah.
Yes. And for these 3 different live shows, we show different parts. Like today, we mainly introduce the reactor, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Later in the live show, our another colleague Coco will introduce how to choose a good reactor, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And in the second live show on 20th, I remember that we will explain how to choose the good cooling system and the carbon black discharging system, right?
Yeah.
And on 28th, we will show you how to choose the good dust removal system and the good foundation, the heating system.
Yeah, so my friends, don't miss our live show.
Yes.
And you will know more. Hi, Clover. Here now we are in our number 2 workshop.
Yes.
Here is our storage. And you see, whoa, there is our reactor for delivery.
Yes.
And behind me is our reactor. Hi, Clover. I
Yes.
see so many reactors. They are silver
Yes.
color. Yeah. And could you share with me why company Huayin choose this color?
Yes, this silver is not a common silver. We use a high temperature silver painting so that it can stand high temperature. You know, the reactor is a very high temperature. Yes, so this painting is better.
Yeah. But I think it is so beautiful.
Very elegant, right?
Yeah.
White princess.
Oh, I forgot to ask you. You know, for one reactor only has one reducer.
Yes.
But for this one, why he has 2 reducers?
Yes, you have very sharp eyes. We make this because this reactor is for making it's for processing oil sludge because oil sludge is heavier than tires and plastics. So we design it double reducers to better standards. And we have many other detailed special designs to ensure it's no poking inside. So if you want to know more, you can contact our service people.
Okay, now my friends, you are in our Huayin live show. This is Katerina. I'm here again. Hi.
Hi, this is Clover. And now you are in Huayi Lab Show. We are introducing the tires and plastic to all your recycling machines.
Yeah, just now you mentioned our Pyrolysis machine could recycle not only with tires, rubber,
Yes.
plastics, and oil mud and oil sludge.
Yes.
So we could provide your Pyrolysis machine and with customized design.
Yes.
This is the dust system for delivery.
Yes. Now, because you know we have one domestic client. He ordered 8 sets of pyrolysis machines. Yesterday, we already delivered several sets, and tomorrow we will also deliver several sets.
To where?
To domestic clients.
Yes.
And this is that's the removal system he chose. This is the most popular one because it's stainless steel. It can better stand the acid and chlorine because you know the smoke is acid, right?
Yeah.
Yes, this can ensure the service life and no chlorine, no acid. And second, it has ceramic rings inside and the water sprinkler, so they can not only clean the smoke but also absorb the impurities in the smoke. So it can meet many countries' environmental standards.
Yeah, e-company Huayin has different designs for the dust system.
Yes.
Yeah, this one is the most popular, and we have other popular design.
Yes.
So, my clients, if you don't know how to choose the right disaster system, then you can contact with our salespeople. We will share with you more suggestions, and you could also get the air emission reports. Yeah, do you
Yes.
have yeah, and we will share with you more files. For example, the oil reports and carbon black reports and air emission reports.
Yes.
Yeah.
You know, to help clients, we get the permit. We can help you with all the necessary documents.
Yeah. Okay, now my friends, you are in Flying Lecture. This is Katerina. This is Clover. Okay, Clover, now we are going in our number 3 workshop. Here we are producing condenser.
Yes.
Wow, I see. I don't know what's this. Where are you workshop?
This area is for testing the welding things for small parts like oil tanks, oil water separator, and the backfire device, and so on. Here we will use we are fully seal the devices and pump water, and then pump pressure inside it to see whether there is any air bubble coming out. If there is no air bubble coming out, then it shows that the welding system is fully intact. If there is any air bubble, it means it has some leakage. Then we are welding again.
Yeah. So company Huayi has more information on quantity and safety, and we will test all the parts of our machine to assure the safety and quality.
Yes, we will test the machines in our factory so that when the machine arrives at your factory, you will run them very easily, safely, and conveniently.
Yeah. Okay, Clover, yeah, I see someone is asking questions.
Okay?
What's the reactor capacity?
As a reactor capacity, it has many different sizes, 10 kg to 10 tons. 10 kg and 1 ton is our mini design, and we have 3 ton, 5 ton, and 10 tons are most popular industrial capacities.
Yeah, so we have different capacity for choice. And if you want to know more information, just contact with our salespeople, and you can get more information about our reactor. We have different
Yes.
design for choice. Yeah, here is foundation. Yeah.
Yes. This is the heating system. You know, for the heating system,
Yeah.
we have underground and overground design.
This is overground.
Yes, this is a place overground. So this is very popular in European and American countries because the temperature there is very high.
Yeah.
So clients want to save the installation time, so they ask us to develop. Ready to delivery one, so that they can easy and quick to install there.
Yeah, I see. So our clients, they could also dig the foundation or
Yes.
buy the foundation from us.
Yes.
Yeah.
That depends on the local salary and the local land conditions. Because you know, in some countries, the land level is behind the land is water,
Yeah.
and all the land is very soft. It's not suitable for digging underground. And in some European countries, the government is not allowed them to dig underground. In that way, the overground foundation is more suitable. But if you can dig underground, then we recommend you to dig underground. It's more
Thank you for your suggestion. Hi, Clover. I thought here is a inner reactor for delivery. Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, it's very easy for transport by sea.
No, this is for our Kyrgyzstan. So, to this country is by train or by car.
By train or by car. Oh.
Yeah. By truck, transportation costs will be too high, right?
Yeah.
So, this client want to transport by train, but with cover, its size will be too much bigger for the train. That's why we remove the installation cover. Only put this in train and put cover in another train. So this can save the installation, can save the transportation cost.
Yeah, I see. So, company Huaying can also provide suggestion for transportation,
Yes.
not only by sea but also by train or by car.
Yes, because we have 27 years in this field and we have exported to 78 countries. So we have a lot of experience in this field and we have met many clients. So we can choose the best and optimal transportation design for you. And like 1 week ago, our South African client used they sent us the container for loading the machines in container in our factory.
Yeah.
Yes, most commonly we will send it to the freeport for loading.
Yeah, I see. Okay, thank you, Clover. Now, my friends, you are in number 3 workshop here. Workers is producing condenser, but now we can make condenser because they went to clients.
Yes.
Yeah, they have they have to service their new owners.
Yes, from September to December, we got many orders because now the business is already booming.
Yeah. Just now you mentioned we have different disaster system, and just now we see the disaster system with ceramic. Yeah. Now I want to see ceramic.
Now
Can I see it?
yes, now we are arriving to the place where we store ceramics. When we transport the goods, we are also sent 1 pallet of ceramics to you.
Wow, this
Yes,
ceramic
like
for
this.
delivery.
Yes, when transporting, it will be like this.
Wow.
We will send you many boxes of this. You can see it has many layers, and this cracking level will help absorb the impurities and so that only the clean gas can go outside, and all the dust and impurities will stay here and be absorbed.
Yeah, and it's easy to clean. Just use the water and to clean it. It's okay.
Yes.
And you don't need to change the ceramic for new. Don't need to change it.
That way, the daily operation cost will be very high. But no need to stress that. Just clean it with water or with the oil coming out of the anti-backfire device would be okay.
Yeah, I see. So, company Huaying pay more attention to environmental protection.
Yes.
Okay, now my friends, you are in Huaying live show. This is Katerina.
Hi, this is Clover. Now you are watching the with the tire and plastic to all your pyrolysis machines.
Now I see so many new machines. I even don't know how to call them.
So I will introduce to you. This is our plasma cutting machines, and This machine we bought several years ago, and now we are already upgraded. We buy a laser cutting machine to cut it, and you can see that with the laser cutting machine we can improve the efficiency.
Whoa, amazing.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. We have 3 workshops. 1, 2. Now we are in workshop number 3. Yeah.
Yes.
Whoa, it's amazing. It's made by this machine.
Yes. So with this laser cutting machine, we can cut the accurate size, even for very small cuts. This is very amazing.
Whoa.
When we bought the laser cutting machine,
Yeah, I don't know.
this is in early 2020. Last year, about March, the COVID-19 is very serious, right?
Yeah.
And almost no business in every industry, except for mask.
Yeah.
So many industries and factories, they just want to lower the investment, but our
Yeah.
boss, they think it's the best time to focus on our development and technology. So we buy laser cutting machine to improve our efficiency. And that's a very good thing because in September, the business is recovering and we got many orders. And this laser cutting machine greatly helps us and improves the efficiency and shortens the producing time.
Yeah, I see. And company Huayin in 2020
Yeah.
and the conducive to update the technology.
Yeah.
And make the improvement for our machine so that our clients could get machine for more good quality. Yeah.
Yes, and behind us you can also see other automatic welding machines, the pipe rolling machine, and here the pipe cutting machine. You cut the pipes into different sizes. All these automatic machines can greatly improve efficiency and lower the management cost.
Yeah, I see. Thank you. Hi, my friends. All of my friends. How are you? I'm Katerina.
And Clover.
Now it's Huayi live show time. Company Huayi manufacture a pyrolysis machine for recycling waste cars and plastic and oil sludge to oil.
Yes.
And if you want to start this business, you can click the catalog for more information, and our salespeople will contact with you and send more information to you.
Even now, during COVID-19, some cannot visit, but they still have got many orders. Now every day the workers are working very busy.
Yeah. Okay, my friends, now you are in Huayi live show. Just now, follow us. You have seen our 3 workshops. And the number 1 for producing the reactor. Number 2 is our storage, and number 3 is our workshop for making the condenser and other accessories.
Yes.
Now, our colleague Coco and Clover will show you our big drill machine, and you will know more about our pyrolysis machine, about the working process and other information.
Yes.
Hi, Coco.
Hi,
Okay, give
I'm
me a
Clover.
moment.
Now we are going to our demo factory. In the demo factory, you will see the 5 running machines. The Just for your information, Huayin has five factories in total. Now, this is our main factory, and we have. Hi, Coco.
Okay.
I'm introducing our five factories.
Yes. We will go to the car firstly.
Sure.
It just needs about 2 or 3 minutes to go to
Yeah.
our demo factory. Okay, hello friend. I'm your new friend. I'm your old friend Coco. Okay, and welcome to see our Huayin live show. Let's Clover introduce what's the machine we are talking about.
Yeah. Hi, my friends. This is Clover. Now you are watching the versatile and plastic to oil pyrolysis machines. Huayin is a very old factory producing this. We already have 5 factories. This is our main factory now, and we have two old factories now storing our some spare parts. And we have one demo factory. Later we will see. And we have one big factory now is in construction. Maybe 2021 or 2022, you can say it.
About the new factory.
Yes.
Okay, friends, I want to say Happy New Year again. Maybe some of our clients just back to work this week, right?
Yes.
And thanks for watching our live show. This is our 7th time live show.
Yes.
If you, how many times you already see me?
You can type below.
You can type. And welcome to see our live show because the COVID-19. Our client can come to China and can see the real situation about our company, about our machine. So our sales team are trying to give you the live show to show more about us. So welcome to visit us, and we will have 3 live show in the following time this month, right? Let me introduce. Okay, today is the 13th January, and in the 20th, the second one, and the third one is in on 27th. 27th, yes. And if you keep following to following our live show and see our live show, we will give you big surprise. Okay, let's get down the car and reintroduce you.
Yes.
Okay, guys, let me continue about the sales promotion we can supply to you. If you can see our live show this time and take a screenshot about our live show anytime, any place, no matter which place is okay, right?
Yes.
And we will give you $3,000 coupon. And if you watch our live show second time on the 20 on 20, and we will give you $5,000 coupon. And if you watch our live show on 27th, and we will give you $8,000 coupon. It's very big.
Yes.
Yeah, big discount in our history.
We never have this 8,000 amount.
Yes. So if you have purchase plan for the waste tire with the plastic to oil pyrolysis machine, within 2 months, right? From today, within 2 months. Today is 13th. 13th. It means if you purchase the pyrolysis machine before
March 13th.
March 13th, you can use the $8,000 coupon. Okay, of course, the sales contract amount should over $50,000. Yes, it only can use for the sales contract amount over $50,000 coupon. Okay, it's our sales promotion. Okay.
Hi, it's Coco. You know, this demo factory is already for 10 years.
Yeah.
Can you show to our clients why we built this demo factory in the first place and what's the function?
Yes, because when we have many years experience in the pyrolysis machine manufacture, right? So there are many new technology need to test, and we collect information and collect solution. Collect the solution and the problems from our clients and the end users, right? So we develop many new technology. We need to test the new technology ourselves by Huayin, not by our clients. So we built this demo factory to test our new technology and run the machine many times. And second, when our clients visit us, they are really want to see the real running machine. Yes, right. To see how the machine work and about the air emissions. Whether cause the environment pollution, right? They are pay more attention on this kind of questions. And how many the oil yield they can get from the different raw material.
That's very important too, because that matters to how much profit they can get.
How much money they can get. It's very important. So we built this factory, the demo factory, to show you the running machine and test the new technology and can show you our technology history about Huayin, right?
Oh, that's very fantastic.
Yes, please follow me. Okay, you can see from the left side to the right side, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 machines, right? And you can see they are produced in different years.
Okay, so can you show us one by one and why how long have you built these machines?
Okay. I will give you a simple introduction about each machine function. But we will pay more times in our pyrolysis machine today. Okay. The first one is the pyrolysis machine. We call it fifth generation machines. It's very popular in Africa and Asia countries. About the details. I can introduce you later, okay? In next live show, yes, because the next live show we will show you different condensers and different carbon black discharge system, right? We will show you the difference between in the fifth generation pyrolysis machine and the second one, no painting, without painting, is built last year. Because of COVID-19, there are many medical waste all over the world, right? So we want to develop a new machine to recycle the waste of medical waste. So it's still in testing. About the red one, it's our distillation machine, right? Distillation machine. The distillation machine can refining the pyrolysis oil and the waste aging oil, right? It can transfer them to diesel. Right? Yes. And this one, the first one is the main machine we will introduce you today. It's a pyrolysis machine, and this one is a pyrolysis machine too. Both of them are 10 tons. Right? Our most hot sale and popular model, right?
First I want to know how much square meter one machine will take, the 10-ton machine.
Oh yes, many clients will pay more attention on the factory size, especially some Europe countries, because the land is very limited and expensive. And expensive. Okay, one set 10-ton pyrolysis machine needs about 300 to 400 square meters. If you want to use the outfeeder, you need at least 400 square meters. But you need to stock some raw material. and the oil, right? And the end products. We usually suggest 1,000 square meters for the whole plant. Okay. Yes, of course. If your factory land is less than the 1,000 square meter, you can send us a simple drawing about your factory. Our engineer will give you special design. About the layout. Right?
Yes. Wow, that's very great. And for the pyrolysis machine, how many parts it includes? Can you introduce to us one by one?
Of course. There are 6 main parts about the pyrolysis plant. Of course, today we will introduce the reactor in our live showroom later. I will give you a simple introduction about the 6 parts here. Simply, okay? And let you look what the 6 parts will look like.
Yeah, that will be great because our clients, they haven't come to China and this may be the first time they know this machine. So a general idea about this plant would be great for them.
Yes, because if they only see our live show in our workshop and see the production time, they don't know how the machine will look like. So let me show you the first one, the green one. The green one is the outfeeder. Do you know the outfeeder functions?
For feeding?
Yeah, it's for feeding material. It can help you compress the raw material like the tires and plastic. Yes, it's with 16 tons hydraulic power to help you compress the raw material, so you can save a lot of space. Space in the reactors. And second, it's more safe, right? Because the reactor will be heated to very high temperature.
Yes.
When the pyrolysis process finishes, but the reactor not cooled totally, right? If you feed the raw material with
dangerous.
The workers need to work into the reactor. But there is no oxygen maybe.
Because the reactor workers and zero oxygen environment.
Zero oxygen. So when they work into the reactor without oxygen and maybe not totally cooling down, it's very dangerous. Okay. So it can also, the third is it can also help you save time. If you feed the raw material by workers, it needs about 5 to 7 hours to feed 10 ton raw material. But use our outfeeder, it's only need 2 to 3 hours.
5 to 7, 2 to 3. So this 3 to 4 hours can shorten time and increase profit.
Yes. So the outfeeder is very necessary. Most I think 100% clients prefer to choose the outfeeder. To feed more material and save time, right? Okay, it's about the outfeeder, and of course we have designed a hook under the outfeeder because when you deal with the tires, after the pyrolysis process finishes, there are still some steel wires, right? Need to pull out. Right. You can, of course, use a lift truck, but you can use outfeeder with the hook and pull out the steel wires directly.
That's easy.
Easy because there are steel track under the outfeeder. The outfeeder can move back, ahead, right, from left side or right side, right? It can move automatically. Okay, it's the first part about the pyrolysis machine. It's the outfeeder. And the second part is the most important part in the pyrolysis plant. It's the reactor, right? Because it's from here, the solid with the raw material will become oil gas. Right?
So the main thermal pyrolysis process happens here.
Happens here. So it's very important. Of course, the reactor design and quality is very important, right?
Yes.
We always say the reactor is like our heart. Yeah. Once the reactor break or with problem, the whole plant have to stop.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. It's a reactor. I will introduce you details, technology and design and our flying quality in our lecture room to show you the reactor. Okay.
Oh, so I will be expecting that. Don't leave
Yeah.
stay in our live showroom.
Yeah. Stay in our lecture room. Okay. It's our second part reactor, and the blue one is the foundation. Yeah, we also call it the furnace, right?
For heating?
Yeah, it's for heating the reactor. The function is for heating the reactor, right?
Oh.
Yes. We can see there are 3 furnace door for the 10-ton capacity model. Yes, different capacity will have different quantity furnace door. Yeah. About the heating, of course, about the fuel material. Yeah, what kind of fuel material you can use? You can use wood. Yeah, the coal, the natural gas, of course, the pyrolysis oil from the plant itself.
Oh,
right? Yeah.
So I can choose any one of these.
Yeah.
Which one is okay for me?
No, it's many clients will ask which one is more suitable for them, right?
Yeah.
In the past years, in some Bangladesh or India clients prefer to use wood because the wood is very cheap or free in their countries, right?
Yes.
Yeah, and the flue gas is very easy to clean, right?
Yes.
Yes. But now 90% clients are prefer to use pyrolysis oil from the plant itself.
Why?
Yeah, because it can save your cost, right? Maybe and in order to protect the environment, many clients are encourage people to plant more trees,
and not use the trees.
Yeah, not use the trees, and the wood can use to many industry, right? Like the paper, right? And like our Chinese when use the chocolate. Sorry, chopsticks, right? Yeah, chopsticks. They can use in many parts, right?
Yeah.
So they are don't want to use the wood again, and the coal is
dirty.
Yeah, dirty and cause the environment pollution.
Yes,
but about the pyrolysis oil you can use, and we have special design for the dedusting system to clean the flue gas from the pyrolysis oil. Right?
Also, another advantage, I think the oil heating value is better.
Better than wood and coal.
So it will save the heating time? Yeah,
it will save the heating time. Wow, right. Nice. Yeah, okay. And it's only needs about 3 to 400 kg for one batch, 10-ton batch. Nice. Okay. And of course, we will supply the oil burners. Okay, oil burners for the pyrolysis oil to you. Okay. It's the third part about the foundation. The first part, here is the carbon black discharge system. This one is the back design. We also have another type beside the screw conveyor, carbon black discharge system. Yeah, after pyrolysis process finished, there are still the carbon black discharge. Then there's still a carbon black. Yeah.
Yes.
The percent is big. Yeah. That is the first part, and the fifth part is the cooling system.
Oh.
Yeah, the cooling system is also very important, right?
Yes.
Yeah, because it will cause different oil yield maybe, right?
Yes.
So use a good cooling system will help you earn more money. Okay? Okay, here I want to reintroduce our sales promotion. Okay? Let me tell you. Please, if you are watching our live show, please don't forget take a screenshot.
Yes.
Okay, take a screenshot. We will give you discount. Okay, if you watch our live show first time, give you $3,000. Okay, I think you are pay more attention how to get the $8,000 coupon. Right?
How?
Yeah, how? Watch our live show 3 times. Okay, watch our live show times 3 times. Today is the first one on 20. Yeah, and on 27, 20 and 27 in the same time. We will still give you a live show about Huayin. Okay, if you can see our live shows 3 times and give us the screenshot. Take a screenshot to your sales manager or to our customer service person. Click the chat now. Or the catalog to give the screenshot to the customer service person. You will get the $8,000 coupon.
That's very easy, right? And that's 3 times watching, and you will also get more information about this project.
Yes, and about the cooling system, let me introduce you. Okay.
Information about this project.
Yes. A moment, please. Okay. Okay. First, let me introduce the container type. Right?
Yeah, the condenser.
Yeah, the condenser. Now we already update the condenser to 54 meters. Right?
Yes.
It means the cooling distance. Yeah, it means the cooling distance. This container design idea is from our Europe clients. Right? Yeah, it's from a Europe client because the worker salary and the is very high in Europe country. Yeah. When our boss go to Europe and find these questions and collect the feedback from our clients, they are prefer to get a machine. It's more easy to install, right? And save their install time. Yeah. So after collect their feedback and back to China, our boss and the technical development department are started to design this cooling. This cooling system. Yeah, we can say, and also each use the Germany clean automatic clean technology. So it can clean itself automatically. And when you buy this kind of condensers, it will save a lot install time. Of course, will install your worker's salary and save cost for you. Okay, it's about the 45 cooling distance system, the container one. And let's show our friends about the blue one. The blue one is very hot popular and hot sale in last year, and I think in this year. Okay, yeah, we call it is a square box cooling system, right? You now need dig the water pot in your factory, right? It's already have the water container, the tank, right? The square box like a water tank. So no need dig the water pot in your factory.
So that can also say better the cooling effect, right?
Cooling effect, right? Yes, it can have better cooling effect and save your cooling time.
Saving time is
saving
increasing the profit.
Yes, so it's very popular. So, of course, in different countries and different plans, they have different requirements, right? Yeah. Our sales manager and Huayin will give you professional suggestion.
So if you don't know whether to choose the 54 square meter, the cooling system, or this square box one, please click chat now and contact our service manager.
Yes. Of course, about the we have also another type cooling system, right? Yeah, the horizontal, right? Yes, cooling condensers. We will introduce you different cooling system in our next live show in 20s, okay? In 20s. So keep following our live show. You will after see our 3 times live show, you will be professional buyer about the pyrolysis plant.
Yes.
Yeah, you will know the Huayin quality and Huayin difference, the difference between Huayin and other supplier.
Yes.
Why Huayin is more professional.
Yes.
Of course, why you are will be more professional.
You will be half the expert.
Yeah,
in this
you
field.
will be engineer about the pyrolysis plant.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, keep following our live show. Yeah. Okay. Okay. The last part about the pyrolysis plant is the dedusting system. And this one very beautiful silver color, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. We also have different design for the dedusting system.
Mm-hmm.
The dedusting system function is to clean the flue gas from the furnace.
Yeah. Yeah.
When you use the pyrolysis oil or wood or other flue material, there are flue gas from it. We need to clean the flue gas.
Yes.
Then you will need the dedusting system. About this one, it's Europe type, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's the how to say
desulfurization and denitration.
Desulfurization and denitration type. Okay, we also have other type. I think you already see in our workshop, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. It's about the dedusting system, and let me show you the foundation, the underground type foundation. This underground type foundation is also workable and popular in our clients, right? Yeah, because it's also depend on different countries. If your local government allowed you dig about 1.5 meters deep under the ground and no water come out, you can use the underground type foundation. If it's easy to dig the water out, you can use the above ground type, right? Yeah. Okay.
So you can choose both the underground or the overground.
Yes.
But if you don't know which one to choose, you can contact our service manager and share your local land conditions and the requirements for digging. Then we will recommend a suitable one for you.
Yeah, of course. Okay, clients. We are introduced the waste tire and the waste plastic to all you equipment to you. Okay, if you are new about this business, just follow our live show.
Yeah.
Just follow our live show. Okay, about the red one, it's another type about the carbon black discharge system. Yeah. As I just mentioned, and
the rear side one.
Yeah. About the carbon black discharge system, you can say they each use the screw conveyor system. To convey the carbon black discharge. It's very hot popular because you can say it's made up about 3 or 4 parts.
Yes.
And we also update the technology. We call it the new technology, the U-type. U-type because we design a door in each part. It's more easy for maintenance, right?
So you can open it, right?
Yeah, you can open it and to make the maintenance work more easy, right? Okay.
So you have both the back side and this side design for the carbon black discharging system.
Yeah, the back tab or the side tab, both okay for you. It depends on your factory size, the layout, the design. About different material. So we have different each part design for different clients, different clients requirements. Okay. Now we will back to our workshop, and I will introduce the reactor to you. Okay, let's go.
Hi, my friends. Welcome to the with the tire and plastic pyrolysis machine live show.
Yeah, we are introduced the with the plastic
Yeah.
and with the tires to oil equipment.
Yes.
Yeah. Maybe many clients will want to ask what kind of waste plastic we can recycle.
And that's except for PET and PVC. That means the water coats or the mineral water bottles. These types are not okay. All other materials are okay, like the landfill plastics, the PP, PE, PS, ABS. These are all okay.
Oh, okay. It's good. And we have a question from the first letter is C and the last letter is G. I'm from Indonesia, and which cooling system is suitable? I think in Indonesia there is no special requirement.
Yes.
The temperature maybe are more higher than China.
Yes, because it's in East Asia and it's in Indonesia and Thailand. These countries are all hot countries.
Yeah.
High temperature. We have many clients there, and a square box one. I think that's more popular.
Yeah, more popular and more suitable for you. Of course, if the baggage is no problem for you, right?
Yes.
Yes, the square box one is very hot popular. Yeah, of course, also in China market. Right?
Yes, because it can quickly cool down the oil gas. And you can realize one batch one day, very shorten the cooling time.
Yeah, and of course, if you can get the 8,000 coupon in our luxury room, yeah, the price is not a problem for you. Okay.
Yeah. By the way, in the next live show, we will especially introduce which cooling system is suitable for different countries, right?
Yes, and we want you keep follow our live show, right?
Yes.
We want more and more clients come to our live show. Yeah, because ours. Okay, let's take off card and continue. Okay. Yeah, because in last year and this year, our sales team have to change our work method, right?
Yes.
Have to change our work way. Of course, our clients and our buyer need to adjust the world change.
Yes.
Yeah, because the COVID-19, right?
Yeah.
Because everything is changed. The world is changed, right?
Yes. So we have to use another method to see the factory ability.
Right. And we use another method to let you know more about our factory and about our machine.
Yes.
Of course, you can save a lot cost, like the plane tickets, right?
Yes. Also, you don't need to adjust your plan to spare 1 week time for the China tour.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's a new method. You need adjust it. Okay.
And so then our next part, Coco, you will introduce to our clients how to choose the right reactor, right?
Yes. How to choose the right reactor. Why the reactor is so important, right?
So let's welcome Coco. Staying with the Coco.
Okay, clients. Firstly, I will introduce you what kind of machine we are talking about. Okay, we are introduce you with tire and with the plastic to oil pyrolysis machine. Yeah, like this can with tire. Okay, small tire, big tire, ORT tire, all the type tire can recycled by our pyrolysis machine. Okay, and the plastic, like the plastic film or plastic bag, the shopping bag, or plastic used in our daily life, all the plastic can recycle to oil, okay? The first about the end products. What kind of end products you can get? First, you can get the pyrolysis oil. This is our waste tire oil. Waste tire oil. About the oil, you can sell to glass factory, steel making factory, or boiler factory. Use as the fuel material. So any factory needs to use the oil as the fuel material. You can use the pyrolysis oil, okay, the fuel oil. And second, you can get the carbon black discharge. The carbon black, okay, the black one. And of course, if you recycle the waste tire, you also can get the steel wires like this, steel wires. It can sell to the steel factory directly, okay? It can sell a good price. Okay, now, in today's live showroom, my main work is to introduce the reactor, how to choose a good reactor when you want to find a professional supplier, why the reactor is so important, and how to become a professional buyer about the pyrolysis plant. Okay. As we just mentioned, we always say the reactor is like our human heart. Yeah. So what will happen if our heart stop? Okay. It once the reactor break and stop work, the whole lot of the pyrolysis plant have to stop. You will lose cost, lose time, right? No one wants to invest, lose money. I think so. So the reactor design is very important. And of course, about the alignment of explosion. What will cause the alignment of the explosion? First is a high pressure. Of course, when our pyrolysis plant work, it's with no pressure. But there is one situation. Once there is block, yeah, in this situation, there will be pressure and oxygen, high pressure oxygen, and flammable gas like the oil gas or the syngas. If the three factors come together, boom, yeah, what's is very, very dangerous, okay? So when we design the reactor, we must avoid this situation happen, okay? So when a factory design a reactor, the most point or the most keys for the reactor, the first is safe. Safe, it must be safe. When we earn money, no matter big money or small money, the safe is the most important, right? No safe, nothing, right? And the environment friendly, of course, all over the world, all the countries are paying more attention on the environment. So it must be environment friendly. And the third, long lifetime. Yeah, long lifetime means helping you earn more money, okay? And save energy. Yeah, save energy. So what will support these 4 points? It's our reactor design and quality. Only with the good design and good quality, you can reach these 4 points. If without good design and without good quality, nothing will be get, right? Okay. As just Clover show you in our workshop about the reactor, there are 2 parts of the reactor, right? Yeah. Firstly, Huayin already have 27 years experience in the waste to oil field, industry field, and we already got 12 technology patents. 12 technology patents. Of course, copy the technology is very easy, but why we design like this is important, and the copy company who copy us our technology won't know this at all, not know. Okay, and Reactor is one of our patents design. Okay, like the inside the boiler, we use the material Q24R, and the thickness is 16 mm, and the outside insulation layer, these two parts of the reactor. And let me show you the details about our inside the boiler. Okay, first we can see this picture. There are spiral plates, and inside the boiler. Why we design the spiral plates? First, it can help you feeding the material. When it's rotated clockwise, it can help you feeding the material. And when it counterclockwise, it can help the carbon black discharge. So it's both automatically, okay? And the spiral plate we design is 6 mm. Why we design 6 mm? Because when you deal with the tires, especially with the plastic, it's easy to cause the cooking problem, right? It's just we cooking in our room, our family. It's easy to cause the cooking system. So after many times testing, the 6 mm is most suitable head about the spiral plate. Okay, and about the head cover. The head cover, we supply the raw material to the head cover factory, and don't produce by ourselves because there are other factory very near to our factory. They are professional to make the container boiler, and of course the head cover we only have one weld lines. Okay, if you are already visiting other factory in the markets, there are some head cover like a umbrella. Many lines in the head cover. It's easy to cause the leaking problem, so it's not good. If the only one welding line will avoid the leaking problem. Yeah, just like a umbrella like this. Yeah, like this. It's very bad quality. And as Clover introduced in our workshop about the welding, we welding total 6 times. 6 times, and after welding finished, we will fill with 3 MPa pressure and keep 30 minutes. If the pressure gauge no change, it means no leakage problem. And after very strict welding quality, we also need to test it, okay, to control the welding quality. And about this picture, we can see the filter. The filter is in the oil outlet pipe. The filter is preventing the raw material go out to the oil outlet pipe, because once the raw material go out and cause the block problem, there are pressure, okay? The pressure problem will happen. So the filter hose diameter size is very important, okay? We design the hose diameter after testing many times and design this size. So it's the design for safe, okay? It's for safe. And of course, about the oil outlet part, we polish it, especially in a less match with the roller. Yeah, after polish, it can roll match with the roller very well. Okay, no shaking problem. It's also for stick, because we can see the oil outlet pipe. It contacts with the purification system. Once there is shake problem, but the purification room is stable, once the reactor shake not very stable, it's easy to cause the oil outlet break. Okay, the oil gas will come out. So it's also the safe design. That the design especially for the safe. And we introduce the why we increase the oil outlet from more small size to big size. You can see this picture. This one show very small oil outlet pipe, but this one, this our Huayin design already increased to 1 meter. Okay, already increased to 1 meter, because in some countries the electricity is not very stable, especially in some African country. Once the pyrolysis process already start and the raw material already become melt and not solid, okay, it already melt, but the electricity suddenly cut off, what will happen? Of course, if the time is not so long, just several minutes, it's okay. But after several hours or 1 to 2 days, the metal's raw material will become solid and stick to the reactor bottom, right? So when the reactor rotates again, it will lose balance. It's easy to break the oil outlet pipe. Of course, the gearbox or the reducers. It's very dangerous. Okay, it's the design details to ensure our machine safe, to ensure the machine quality. It's the inside boilers and other details. You know, the out insulation layer. There are 3 layers, right? The outside is the steel plate, and in the middle we use the white color, the rock wool. The rock wool. About the rock wool, I think you already get some information. There are 3 colors in the market: the white color, the yellow color, and the black color. But the white color is the high quality. It can enter the high temperature, okay, to ensure the insulation effect. So it's another details about the insulation cover. And about the steel raw material we use, you can see this picture. I think it's very popular in the market if you visit other factory. Some suppliers use the U steel type, but Huayin use I steel type. I think you are clever to know which one is more strong. Okay, which one is more strong? Of course, the I steel type is more strong. This design use a good material will support you and ensure the reactor more lifetime. Okay, more lifetime. And of course, about the support. Okay, why we always say copy the technology? It's very easy, but why they design like this? They don't know. It's Huayin design. We use the twinkle spot, okay, like this. But this one and the other supplier use the vertical spot. I think we studied this knowledge in our very small age. The twinkle spot is more stable than the vertical spot, right? So it's another details to ensure the machine quality and the safe. Okay, so safe is very important in this business. The reactor safe, the design and the quality also very important. And about the insulation cover design, why Huayin insulation cover design is more better. Okay, let's see this picture firstly. We can see the flue gas, right? Black flue gas. And the inside boilers explode outside. We can see here very clear. And you see this drawing. The inside boiler explodes out. It will lose a lot of energy. We can lose energy means you will use more fuel materials. You will increase your cost about the fuel material. Of course, when the boilers explode outside a lot and the door is very big, so it's not easy to see. Yeah, we know when we hit the pyrolysis machine, the furnace will be hit to very high temperature, maybe 1000, right? 1000. So it's not easy to heat it. The flue gas is easy to come out, cause the environment pollution problem. Yes. So this design is a difference with the Huayin design. The market design like this and the Huayin design like this. The insulation layer totally covers the inside the boilers to save energy and protect our environment. And another different design about the roller hose. Yeah, we say Huayin type. The roller supports the oil outlet directly, but this design supports the boiler directly. Why this is not good? Because we know the pyrolysis machine will be hit very high temperature, high temperature then cooling down, high temperature and cooling down. After many times, it's easy to out of shape. Yeah, there will be bubble maybe in the steel plate. So when it's rotated, it's not so stable when matched with the rollers. It will cause the shaking problem. Yeah, as we just said, once it causes the shaking problem, the oil outlet is connect with the purification room, easy to cause the oil outlet pipe break and the oil gas come out. Yeah, this is another detailed design about our insulation cover. Okay, and the roller, it's about related to safe and the long lifetime. Okay, it's about our roller support design. Of course, we have another still details about our safe. Okay, a moment, please. Let me see. There is any question a lot or not? Like your machine. I think. Yeah, the first letter is C and the last letter is G. Leave a lot message to us. Yes, I like your design. I want whale color. I think maybe white color. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Welcome to leave message. Okay. And about our other safety details, we can say there are two pressure gauge above the oil outlet pipe. Once there is problem about the block, there have pressure volume in the pressure gauge. We have double pressure gauge to ensure the problem. Once there happen, the alarm will ring. Yeah, our workers will come and release. And also we have a pressure gauge in the feeding door. Yeah, they can release the pressure from the how to say? I forgot. Okay, a moment. Okay, from the behind, and of course from the front. Okay, the both sides can release the pressure. Okay. Okay, it's about our reactor detail design. Yeah, the safe energy and environmental friendly and long lifetime. Safe, all this depends on our good design and quality. So one professional supplier, manufacturer is very important for you. Okay, I think if you already see my presentation very details, you will be more professional in how to choose pyrolysis plant. I think time is limit. let me reintroduce the sales promotion to you. Okay. We will have another 2 live show in the following time this month. One is on 20th and another one is 27th. So if you watch our live show 3 times, we will give you $8,000 coupon. We will give you $8,000 coupon. Okay, how to get the coupon? Just take a screenshot about our live show and send to your sales manager or your customer service person. We will give you $5,000 coupon. Of course, it's available within 2 months from today. Within 2 months, it means 13 March. Okay, until to 13 March. Okay. In the following time, I will invite Clover and answer you some questions about the business, like how to start this business and other questions. Okay. Okay. Welcome, Clover.
Hi, this is Clover.
Yeah.
I'm back again.
Yeah, we're back again. First, about the question. What waste what's the waste material can be processed in our pyrolysis machine?
The pyrolysis machines can process waste tires, plastics, and rubber.
Yes. Of course, as I think some oil sludge.
Yes.
Yeah.
The oil sludge is also okay with special design change.
Okay. What product does it produce from the waste?
From the pyrolysis machines, let's take a tire as an example. From tires, you will get fuel oil, 40% to 50%, carbon black, a second 25% to 30%, and steel wire 15% to 20%, and syngas 5% to 10%.
Yes, I think our clients are more want to know how to find the buyer for the end products. Right?
Yes, because this matters to the profit and to the purpose of this business. So I will introduce to you. And first, fuel oil. The fuel oil can be sold to many factories for industrial heating and burning, like cement factory, boiler factory, garment factory, steel factory, glass factory, ceramics factory. I believe that nearby your workshop, you can find many factories. You can consult them. And then the carbon black can be sold to power plants or any factories that use coal as a fuel oil, as a fuel, because carbon black is like a coal powder. Yeah. And third, the steel wire. The steel wire can be sold to steel factories. And fourth, the syngas. Syngas can be used in the pyrolysis plants. It will be recycled to furnace for heating, saving your fuel. That's good.
Yeah. So the pyrolysis oil and the syngas both can use as a fuel material.
Yes. No, so you don't need to buy fuel from other places.
Yeah. So how much money our clients can earn per day?
That's really very good question. And then different markets, different countries may be different prices. But according to our clients' feedback, generally speaking, the tire oil can be sold at about $400 per ton. And the carbon black about $50 per ton.
$50 per ton.
And the steel wire about $300. Yeah. And also very high market value. And the syngas, for heating.
Yeah. So it's a high profit about in this pyrolysis.
Generally speaking, for 1 10-ton batch per day, clients can get $1,000 profit.
$1,000 per day. Right?
Yes, that's good. And moreover, if you have several sets, the profit will be higher because you know the management cost is about the same, but you get more products.
Yeah, $1,000 per day. What kind of business can help you earn so much money per day? It's wasted to oil. Yeah, wasted to oil. So if you are interested in earning money in New Year, contact with us. Okay.
And that's why we installed the machine in 78 countries in the past years.
Yes, already installed in 78 countries. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. Many of our clients are new about this business. Yeah,
yes.
Right? Yeah. How to start this business?
Oh, first you will have to have land and the money, right?
Yeah, money is very important.
for initial stage, starting this project, and let's get back to work. The first you will have to get raw materials, right? Tires and plastic. Then the sales channels, you can consult the nearby factories about how much oil and steel wire like this they need per month per day, and how much price they will offer you. That matters to profit.
Yeah. So before making this business, it's better to make a survey in your local, right?
Yeah, to do a market research. By the way, you can also consult the raw material cost and the oil price and the scale. If you share this information with us, we can do a specific profit analysis for you.
Yes. So when you want to do this business, you also need to do some job. Yeah. Not all the job we can do for you. We just can cooperate with you.
Yes,
right?
yes.
Yeah.
Every business, if you want to succeed, you need to do some work. Preparation.
Yeah.
And moreover, you need to get the permit from local government, the environment authority. So we would suggest you to consult your local environment authority about the emission standard, about other requirements for this business.
Yeah.
And the second, and the fourth, the machine and service. Choosing a good machine and supplier is very important because the technology, experience, the plant quality, and the installation, survey, after sales service are all very important, and a good supplier can help you with this.
Yes. I want to say, yes, we are. Huayin is the professional supplier.
Yes. And this is what we do before you buy the machine. And after you buy the machine, the construction, the factory preparation is very important.
Yeah.
Yes. And last, the management, the daily operation and the staff management is very important.
Yeah. All this is important things to start the business, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And what kinds of service can Huayin supply to our clients? Right?
That's very important. And as we just talked, the raw materials, the license, and the oil sales channels, all these are very important. So we will provide assistance in all these aspects. First, we will help you do the profit analysis based on your local prices. And the second, we will help you get the permit, and we will provide all necessary documents you need to get the license.
Yeah.
And third, we will help you choose the right machines based on your raw material, your amount, and your oil usage. Choose a right machine for you. And then we will also do help you to prepare the factory, like the underground, and we will do factory layout for you based on your factory size and your drawings.
Yeah.
Yes. And we will also help you guide the workers to do the plant installation and to do the worker training. And after the plant in operation, you may not familiar with many things. So we will also have the after sales service to help you with all the things. So you don't need to worry about anything.
Yeah, so you don't worry about when and what kinds of job we can do. When our engineer reach your factory, he will make a working schedule for you.
Yes, just buying.
Just follow us, follow our engineer guidance, right?
Yes.
Yeah, he will help you do all the job.
Yes.
Okay, friends, it's all the things we can introduce to you in our live show today.
In today's live show.
Yeah, and don't forget follow our next following two live shows this month. One is in 20 and another one is in on 27. 20 and 27 the same time to 14 to 16 o'clock in Beijing time, right? Yeah, you can transfer to your local time. What's your time in your local life? Okay, friends. Thanks for watching our Huayin live show, the waste tire and the waste plastic to oil project today. And see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.